John Abercrombie, horticulturalist. John Abercrombie (1726–1806) was a Scottish horticulturist important to renovating garden techniques. He is noted for the book Every Man His Own Gardener 1767, which he co-wrote with Thomas Mawe. He also taught botany at the University of Cambridge. As a young man, Abercrombie was employed at the Royal Gardens at Kew and at Leicester House, and later set up a successful market gardening business in Hackney, and later at Tottenham. He wrote a number of other works on gardening. Selected writings: The Universal Gardener and Botanist, or A General Dictionary of Gardening and Botany 1778, The Garden Mushroom 1779, The British Fruit Gardener and Art of Pruning 1779, A General System of Trees and Shrubs Ca. 1780, 1780, Every Man His Own Gardener, 9th edition 1782,